Hello everyone, I'm Ankur Singh, a legal intern at Lexan Company. In this video, I'm going to talk about basic structure of the Indian Constitution. Constitution empowers the Parliament or the state legislature to make laws with their possible jurisdiction. A bill to amend the Constitution can be introduced in the Parliament itself, but the power is not absolute. If Supreme Court finds that law made by Parliament is not just in accordance with the Constitution, then Supreme Court has power to declare it invalid. To protect the ideals and philosophies of Constitution, Supreme Court has created the basic structure doctrine. According to this principle, Parliament does not have right to change or destroy the basic structure of the Constitution. The term basic structure is not used anywhere in the constitution. This concept has evolved with the interventions of judiciary from time to time to protect the basic rights of the people. First constitutional amendment 1951 was challenged in the case of Sankari Prasad versus Union of India. This case was challenged on the grounds that it violates the fundamental right of the constitution, thus it must be invalid. Supreme Court says Article 368 of Indian Constitution gives power to Parliament to amend any part of the Constitution, including fundamental rights. Similar judgment was given in the case Sajan Singh case. In 1967, in case of Golaknath versus State of Punjab, Supreme Court overruled his previous judgments, and Supreme Court says Parliament does not have right to amend Part 3 of Constitution. In 1971, 24th Constitutional Amendment was passed in the Parliament. According to this Act, Parliament was given rights, powers to make changes in the Constitution, including fundamental rights. It was also decided that all constitutional amendment bills must have President's consent. In 1973, in the case of Keswananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, Supreme Court upheld the validity of 24th Constitutional Amendment Act by reviewing its judgment in Golaknath case. Supreme Court said Parliament has power to amend all the provisions of Constitution, but while doing so, basic structure of Constitution should remain. But Supreme Court did not give any clear definition of basic structure. But in its decisions, Supreme Court said that the basic structure of Constitution cannot be repealed by any constitutional amendments. In the judgments, judges pointed out some of the features of the basic structure of the Constitution, like supremacy of the Constitution, republican and democratic form of government, secular character of Constitution, federal character of Constitution, separation of powers, unity and sovereignty of India, personal liberties, and etc. In 1975, in the case of Indira Gandhi versus Raj Narayan, Supreme Court reaffirms its concept of basic structure in this case. In case of Minerva Mills versus Union of India in 1980, Supreme Court took forward the concept of basic structure by adding judicial review to the features of basic structure and balance between fundamental right and directive principles. In case of Indira Sahani versus Union of India in 1992, Supreme Court added the rule of law to the basic structure. In 1994, in a S.R. Bommai versus Union of India case, Supreme Court said federal structure, unity of India, integrity, secularism, socialism, social justice, judicial review also retained all these features of constitution as a basic structure. Court said features are also part of principles of basic structure of constitution. Hope you understand the concept of basic structure. Thank you.